Hi, this is Aaron from the team No Idea. And for the Hack 24, we decided to make an app for pub quizzes using the Pusher API. So our team, quite a small team, we've got Aaron Bell, who's currently a junior web developer. He enjoys learning new technology, always keen for a challenge. Myself on the right, bit of a Rambo, enjoy fancy dress parties. Jack of all trades, really enjoy doing iOS work, mobile app development, and getting involved with any new technology. So our idea, we had quite a few, and it basically came down to pub quizzes. We participated in a few in the past. They're good fun, but always you're relying on pen and paper. It's really hard to hear the questions a lot of the time, and obviously hear who's won. So as you can see on the right here, we made it so it can actually work on a mobile app, and also on the far right there's a Quizmaster portal where they can actually create their quiz and see who's participating. So the current problems with quizzes, which I've just talked about briefly, relies too much on pen and paper, difficult to hear, especially for myself being deaf in one ear. It's really hard for the Quizmaster and people to keep track of the scores, and sometimes people don't really keep a keen interest in what's going on. And again, no real stats on who's leading. So our solution was to integrate social profiles. So for this current project and the time we had, we basically integrated Facebook. Real-time pushing of questions using the Pusher API, which works really well. We wanted to give the ability to give stats on who's leading, perhaps on a big screen, or just to give the Quizmaster an overview of who's actually winning. This definitely reduces the need for paperwork and speaking out too loud as well. It's also a great marketing tool for pub owners. With it tapping into social profiles, they can actually gather people to like their Facebook pages, for example, and gather their email address and details for any marketing they may want to do. And here's just a quick video of our application and website. So on the right you'll see that we're just logging in as the Quizmaster. We basically type in the name, selecting a category for the questions, and then it will just reveal a quiz ID. What we did want to do, if we had time, was actually do SMS messaging to the participants, so they can actually get that code quite quickly. On the left we're just doing the social login, and here we'll just enter the quiz ID, and this would probably be, big and probably a bit easier to read out as well in future versions. So there's a couple of people here logged in, and the Quizmaster's just starting the quiz, and you'll see instantly the questions are available on the second device, and we can just answer them like so. Whilst the questions are being answered, the actual scores are being updated as well, so the system knows who's winning, who's getting them right. Okay, we'll just go through a few questions. There's only 5 for this demo, and from what we've tested so far, even running it on a mobile devices on the website, I'm quite impressed with the Pusher API once we finally got it set up. Okay, the quiz should be about finished, so the Quizmaster can see who's won, and for the participants they can actually see their scores and which answers they got right or wrong. So our key features is real-time pushing of questions using Pusher. The scoring system we felt was essential to have in there. It's something that's not really available with the paper-based quizzes, and again social integration just to make it more interesting. So what's next for our project? Myself and Aaron, we had great fun making this project, and whilst making it we can actually see further use cases for this, such as live voting in seminars, meetings and much more. I don't think it's just limited to pubs, it could be used in a wide area of places. We'd like to integrate more social media channels, implement question building into the back end, and also SMS messaging. And that's it. So thanks for a great weekend. We've had a great time. I hope you enjoyed our presentation. Thank you.